Story: Overcoming Fear. Sarah's journey to success. Sarah had big dreams, but one thing kept getting in the way: fear. The fear of failure held her back for years. She was terrified of making mistakes, of being judged, and of not being good enough. But one day, Sarah decided that enough was enough. She was ready to break free from fear and take action towards her goals. Here's how Sarah took 5 steps to overcome her fear of failure and move toward success. 1. Acknowledging the fear. Sarah's first step was to face the fear head on. She realized that pretending it didn't exist only made things worse. By acknowledging that fear was a natural part of trying something new, she immediately felt less pressured. It was okay to be afraid, but it wasn't okay to let it stop her. 2. Understanding failure is a learning opportunity. Instead of viewing failure as something terrible, Sarah started to see it as a teacher. Every mistake was a chance to learn and grow. She reminded herself that no one ever succeeded without failing a few times first. This mindset shift helped her see failure as a stepping stone rather than a roadblock. 3. Setting small, achievable goals rather than focusing on one big goal that seemed impossible. Sarah broke it down into smaller, manageable steps. Each time she achieved one small goal, it gave her confidence to move on to the next. Slowly but surely, her fear of failure began to shrink as her confidence grew. 4. Embracing imperfection. One of the most freeing steps for Sarah was letting go of perfectionism. She realized that waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect result was just another way fear controlled her. By embracing imperfection, she allowed herself to take risks, make progress, and accept that doing her best was enough. 5. Surrounding herself with supportive people. Sarah learned that who she surrounded herself with made a big difference. She chose to spend more time with positive, encouraging people who believed in her potential. Their support helped her stay motivated, even when things didn't go as planned. Instead of fearing failure, she felt empowered to keep trying. In the end, Sarah realized that fear of failure wasn't something she could completely eliminate, but it was something she could control. By following these 5 steps, she transformed her fear into a tool for growth and success. Now, instead of being paralyzed by fear, Sarah is chasing her dreams with confidence.